Hello guys, today we're going to fix a common issue where you open your browser, try to visit any website, and it shows the error, "This site can't be reached," even though your internet connection is active and working properly. This usually happens because of DNS problems or sometimes issues with your ISP's DNS. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. These methods work for both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections. So let's get started. Go to Windows Search and in search bar type run, then open run window. In the run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and press enter. This will open the network connections window. Here, you'll see all your network interfaces like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or any virtual adapters. Now select the one you're using, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right click on it and disable it first. Wait for a few seconds, then enable it again and check if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't work, then right-click on the same interface again and select Properties. Look for Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP, and double-click on it. It will open Properties window. Here we will assign DNS, so select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now in Preferred DNS, enter Google DNS, and in Alternate DNS, enter Cloudflare DNS. These are fast and reliable DNS servers. Then click OK and click OK again to apply the changes. After setting the DNS, check if the issue is resolved. In my case, it fixed the issue and website load without any issue. In many cases, this fixes the problem. But if it still doesn't work, then go to Windows Search, type CMD and run it as administrator. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig //flush DNS and press enter. This will successfully clear the DNS resolver cache. Next, type ipconfig /register DNS and press enter. This command refreshes your computer's IP address and re-registers it with the DNS server. After that, close the command prompt window and restart your system. Once your PC restarts, check if the issue is fixed. If the problem is still does not fixed, then right-click on the Windows button and open Device Manager. When the Device Manager window opens, find Network Adapters and expand it. You'll see your network interface listed there. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. We'll try updating it first. If that doesn't fix the issue, then right-click on it again and select Uninstall Device and confirm by clicking Uninstall. This will remove the network driver. Now to reinstall it, go to the Action menu and click on Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically reinstall the network driver. After that, check again if your issue is resolved. I hope one of these methods fixes your DNS problem. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments which method helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.